So today is a day in the life too. I'm in Italy right now. Today we are going on a boat trip. Coming back about 1. It's just going to be a chill day. It's going to be fun. We're going to jump in the sea on the boat. Boat trip's going to be for about 3 hours. It's going to be a good day. So I'll just be showing you around. So yeah, let's get going. We are on the way to the bus stop. Here's my mum.
I wish you'd stop doing that.
Okay, probably the worst thing about living here, well, just being on holiday here, is definitely the steps. Wouldn't you say so, Ed?
Ed's not talking to anybody today.
He's not feeling great. Let's do the steps. You can see we're at the bus stop now. We're waiting for something called an eco taxi or something. It's like a really open. It looks like a golf cart basically. I don't know what to think about it. This is going to take us to the dock boat place where we'll be getting on the boat. Yeah, that's about it really. So next thing you'll see is this really sketchy taxi. Looks like a golf cart.
Hey, that moved. Essa é uma descarga.
Made it to the cave. Here with my dad.
Who is it?
We're
Hi.
about to go inside
To the grotty
to the cave. It's really nice here.
Grot.
Let's go check it out. It is very dark in here. Don't know how much I'll be able to film because it's dark. There's some lights there. I fixed it up obviously. Just got dripped on stalagmites, whatever one calls.
There is a tunnel 4 meters deep down under the lip.
That was so sick. There's like it's a bit of water and it's completely blue because there's a tunnel 4 meters going from inside the cave to outside the cave. It looks so sick. My camera kept on getting dripped on because of all the stalagmites or whichever one. I said it earlier. But yeah, we're gonna get back on the boat now and carry on with the tour. And I'll stop by a little beach bit and we're going to do some swimming. Isn't that right, Ed?
That's right, Ed.
Ja, då drar vi in vägen.
Boat trip's done. Very fun, wasn't it, Dad?
Yeah, it was great.
It was
Fantastic.
super.
Did you get some pictures of Luigi, the boatman?
It was really sick.
Yeah?
We stopped and swam and all that stuff and obviously used all the caves and everything else. So now we're going to get the bus back to our hotel.
Need me to hold anything, Tom?
o'clock, which means it's pool time. It's just over here. Let me go check it out, it's pretty nice. Let's do it. So yeah, just finished at the pool. It's nice, cold, you know, all that usual stuff a pool is. But my hair's ridiculous and I don't feel that great, so I'm gonna have a shower. We're heading to the bar. I'm here with my mum.
Hello. I'm Mum.
I'm gonna have a Coke and a Solari because it's my favourite thing. So yeah. This is our local square with the church there and all of this stuff. It's pretty nice. There's like no one out at this time of day because it's still like really hot. We're getting a drink. Oh, cute! Finished at the bar. There's my mum.
Oh.
Yeah. Going back to the hotel, chilling for about an hour, and going up to eat at Chebonta or Kebonta.
It's Kebonta.
There you go. It's like our favourite restaurant. It's really nice. It's just stairs. Stairs everywhere.
What, sorry?
That's what happens. Kebonta's just over there. Some steps. We like it. We finished eating. Where, Ed? That tree looks sick. So while Ed's getting the cards, I'm just in my room at the moment, just chilling. And obviously thought I'd do a little room tour. It's really not that big at all. It's literally 2 beds and a shower and a sink and a toilet. Like literally. 2 beds, shower, sink, toilet. That's it.
It's your
My
turn.
turn, is it?
It's your turn.
Okay guys, day in the life 2. Finished Italy, it was fun. So yeah, sub if you're new and you enjoyed this, smash that like button because it helps out a lot all the time.
Bye.
And I'll see you next time. Okay guys, so yeah, I hope you really like that video. I know it's taken a while and I'm very sorry about that. But recently I've had a lot happening because today was my first day back at school, which sucks obviously. But yeah, I've finally finished editing it, so this should be up for Tuesday. I'll upload it overnight because my Wi-Fi is not that amazing. So yeah, as I said just now, if you enjoyed this, hit that like button, sub if you're new, comment anything you want to see next, maybe, and I will see you next time.